Imagine you have a problem where you're trying to define Bareword operators in Raku to implement dice notation, but the compiler in the REPL keeps interpreting it as a term instead of an operator. Quite a frustrating problem indeed. Now, the solution to this problem is actually quite simple. You can define Bareword operators in a script, but not in the REPL, by defining the code infix, and LT, D and GT, code and code prefix, and LT, D and GT, code operators in your script. You can successfully use them to roll dice and generate random numbers. Continuing with the solution, when you run the script that includes the defined operators and calls them with arguments like code 2d10 code and coded 20 code, you'll get the desired output of rolling dice and obtaining random numbers. Moving forward with the explanation, it's important to note that if you try to input the same code directly into the REPL as a single line statement, you'll encounter an error message due to the REPL's limitations. This is a quirk in the REPL that doesn't affect the functionality of the operators in a script. In summary, it's totally possible to define and use Bareword operators in Raku scripts for tasks like dice notation. Just remember to run your script outside of the REPL to avoid any unexpected errors. And there you have it, a simple solution to a seemingly tricky problem. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below.